Hi, I'm Andrew Hunter, chef for Kikkoman Sales USA. Today we're going to make crispy pork lumpia with a sweet soy lemon dipping sauce. So we're going to blend ground pork with roasted mushrooms and lots of aromatics, garlic, ginger, scallions, to create a super flavorful filling that we then roll several times in a lumpia wrapper and fry so it's really crispy. The trick is to get them from the fryer to the plate to the table as quick as possible so they're hot and crispy. We'll start by preparing sweet lemon soy dipping sauce. In a saucepan, we'll combine the following Kikkoman sauces: citrus seasoned ponzu, less sodium soy sauce, coterie mirin, brown sugar, rice vinegar, and lemon juice. Bring the sauce to a simmer over medium heat until the sugar is dissolved. Remove the saucepan from the heat and allow the sauce to cool. Once cool, whisk in the lemon zest and set this sauce aside. Now for the lumpia filling. In a small non-stick skillet over a medium flame, add oil and heat until it's rippling. Add garlic, ginger, and green onions, stir several times, then turn the heat to low and cook slowly until the aromatics are very soft, about 5 minutes. Remove from the heat and cool to room temperature in a large mixing bowl. Whisk in the black pepper and soy sauce. Combine the pork and roasted mushrooms and whisk in the eggs. Work pork and mushrooms with your hands to mix. Refrigerate for 4 to 24 hours to blend and marinate. Now we're ready to make the lumpia. I've filled a pastry bag with the lumpia filling. Pipe the filling in a straight line lengthwise along the top of the lumpia wrapper, leaving a small space at both ends. Brush the other end of the wrapper with egg wash. Fold the lumpia wrapper over the pork and roll into a nice tight stick. Heat the oil to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Slowly drop the lumpia into the oil until immersed and fry until a deep golden brown, about 1 minute. Here you have the crispy lumpia with the sweet soy lemon dipping sauce, great for passing or sharing.